Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of floor cleaning with the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop. Now, let me tell you, cleaning floors has never been easier. With its cordless design and powerful spinning mop pads, this Bissell SpinWave tackles everyday pet messes with ease, leaving your floors sparkling clean and refreshed. One of the standout features of this mop is its cordless freedom. Powered by an 18 volts lithium-ion battery, you get up to 20 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning time. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to hassle-free cleaning. And let's talk about performance. Whether you have wood, tile, linoleum, or other sealed hard floors, the SpinWave Cordless Pet is up to the task. Its powerful spinning mop pads effortlessly tackle tough, sticky messes, restoring your floor's natural shine. But that's not all. This mop comes with a dual-purpose storage tray for easy storage and convenient cleaning. Plus, with washable mop pads included, you'll save money on disposable pads while still achieving a thorough clean. And for pet owners out there, rejoice! The SpinWave Cordless Pet comes with two 8-ounces trial-size pet multi-surface formulas, specially designed to tackle tough pet messes and eliminate odors. Plus, with the hard floor sanitize formula, you can rest assured that your floors are not just clean but also sanitized, killing 99.9% of bacteria. So, if you're tired of getting down on your hands and knees to scrub your floors, it's time to let the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop do the work for you. With its cordless convenience, powerful performance, and pet-friendly features, it's a game-changer for keeping your home clean and fresh. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on products that make your life easier. Until next time, happy cleaning!